Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to restore old photo and add color using AI in CapCut. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work, and we are using CapCut, so you can create account or sign up on it, and then you see AI tools, so click on it. So we are in AI tools section, and then you see 4 image, so click on it. Now you see multiple option, so we are going to restore old photo. Now you see old photo restoration, so click on it. So this is our current image, now you see, and we are going to restore it. So we are going to upload, so click on it. Now select, now generating. Now you see old photo restored by using AI. So this is original restoration. If you want to add some color, so click on it. Now you see color edit. So we are going to download colored photo. Now click on export. Now download. Now download done. Open it. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.